Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our bedroom linen services and find it useful.
Professional pressing for a crisp, cool look. Crisp and smooth finish. Sudsies provides professional pressing and finishing services that leave bed linens looking crisp and perfectly smooth. This is especially important in a hot climate where the desire for a cool, crisp bed is paramount. Their expert pressing ensures that even after multiple washes, the linens maintain a sharp and polished appearance. Cooling freshness. The cleaning processes at Sudsies not only remove dirt and allergens, but also help to maintain the cooling properties of high-quality bed linens. Freshly cleaned and properly pressed linens feel cooler and more comfortable, providing a much-needed respite from the South Florida heat. 3. Convenient and hassle-free service. Complimentary pickup and delivery. Sudsies' free pickup and delivery service is perfect for the convenience-focused South Florida resident. With the ability to schedule regular cleaning without the hassle of dropping off and picking up, locals can ensure that their bed linens are always in top condition with minimal effort. Handling bulky items. Comforters, duvets, and other bulky bedding items can be cumbersome to clean at home. Sudsies services are particularly well-suited to handling these large items, ensuring they are thoroughly cleaned, pressed, and delivered back to your door.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.